Minexa.ai removes the need for scraping libraries, proxies, and headless browsers by handling everything automatically behind the scenes. This makes scraping foreign exchange rates from federalreserve.gov simple and efficient. Navigate to your target page. Whether it's a dynamic site, JavaScript-heavy app, or filtered listing, Minexa works directly on the live rendered page. Open the Minexa extension. Turn any live page into data without writing anything. Click the button, and Minexa evaluates the full page layout, identifying how results are organized before extraction begins. No results will be missed. Minexa picked up the pagination and will follow every page on each extraction run. Decide whether the items on the results page are enough, or whether Minexa should also click into each row and scrape its individual page. Click Continue for simple pages, or switch to advanced mode when content only appears after interactions like drop-downs, tabs, or buttons that need to be triggered first. Minexa highlighted the data section automatically. If the highlighted block looks right, click Create Scraper, and Minexa will analyze the content and detect all data points in a couple of minutes. Every field is ready. Each one was found during training and stays consistent across all similar pages. You can select key data points like date, currency codes, and exchange rates for your foreign exchange rate scraping task. Click API Request to get ready to run Python code that scrapes this exact data. Your scraper ID and request payload are already filled in. Almost there. Click Complete Configuration, and Minexa will flag anything unexpected during extraction instead of pulling wrong data. No results will be missed. Multi-page navigation is saved and will run automatically on every extraction. Click to create your scraping job. If recurring data is useful, a daily or weekly schedule can be set right here. Click Run, and extraction starts. Dynamic content, lazy loaded sections, and client-rendered pages are handled automatically. Every column you see here is tied to a fixed point on the page. Unlike AI-based scrapers that guess where data lives, similar-looking values like exchange rates, currencies, and dates never get confused, even across thousands of rows. Download your results. If the page structure ever changes, affected fields return blank instead of incorrect values. Every value comes directly from the page. No interpretation, no guessing, just structured data exactly as it exists on the site.